Aaron Loosely here with McWane ductile iron poles. We're here at the Provo, Utah manufacturing facility today, and we're going to talk about the markings, nameplates, and accessories that go on our poles and explain what they mean. Our poles are shipped as either a one-piece pole or a two-piece pole. If the pole is 70 feet or shorter, it'll come as a one-piece, fully assembled, ready to set. If the pole is 75 feet or taller, it'll ship as a two-piece pole, and it'll come in two halves, a top half and a bottom half. We'll talk about one-piece poles and two-piece poles separately. Every pole will have a nameplate that will be roughly at eye level once the pole is set. The nameplate will have a serial number, height, class of pole, the weight of the pole, the manufacturing date, the customer, and the tip load capacity of the pole. The field right underneath the serial number is labeled structure number, but we can customize what's in this field to whatever the customer wants. Moving up the pole, we come to a mark that indicates the center of balance. This is so the crews know where to lift when unloading and setting the pole. Where it's placed on the pole may vary a little bit from pole to pole, but it will be close to the same location for all the same size and class. At each joint, you will see two bolts on opposite sides of the pole. These are called tap flex bolts. The pole sections are pressed together very, very tight and won't come apart, but these bolts add a measure of security to the joint. Let's go to the base of the pole. On the bottom of each pole will be a base plate, and on that base plate will be a sticker. The sticker shows the sales order number, the type, which is the class and height, the drawing, which is the bolt hole pattern drawing that we've drilled into the pole in the factory, the structure number, which is that same customizable structure number field, the weight, the sequence and quantity, and the item number, which is our internal part number, and on the bottom is the serial number. It also has a QR code that will take you to our field assembly instructions. You'll also notice on the edge of the base plate we have these angle clips. The base plates are welded on securely, but these angle clips add a measure of security. Let's move to the two-piece poles. The bottom half of a two-piece pole has the same nameplate, center of balance mark, and base plate sticker as a one-piece pole. As we come to the top of the bottom half of this two-piece pole, you will see some marks that are to help with assembling the two halves in the field. We have a line that runs parallel with the pole and another line that runs perpendicular to the pole. This parallel line is the B-axis or zero-axis line, and it will match up with the B-axis or zero-axis line on the top half when they come together in the field. This perpendicular line is the minimum insertion line that needs to be met as the two halves come together. This is the bottom of the top half of the two-piece pole. You can see the B-axis line that we've marked on here, and this will match up with the B-axis line that we've marked on the bottom half of the pole as they come together. Let's move to the very top of this two-piece pole. It's important to remember that the top and bottom half of every two-piece pole is a matched set. In the factory, we've made sure that these two particular halves go together properly. On the top of a two-piece pole, there is a second nameplate that has the serial number. This serial number will match the serial number on the bottom half's nameplate, and you can be sure that you have the match set. This nameplate also has the structure number, height, class, and the manufacturing date. The top half will have its own center of balance mark and a sticker on the inside that matches the sticker on the base plate. We offer three options for pole caps: a ductile iron flat cap, a plastic flat cap, or a plastic Raptor cap. Well, that will do it for the nameplates, markings, and accessories on McWane ductile iron poles. We hope this has been helpful, and thanks for watching.